Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Steam on the desktop client or in a desktop browser. This gives full access to badge controls. Once signed in, click your username at the top and choose View Profile, then use Edit Profile to reach the customization area. Make sure you're using the desktop view because the mobile app may not expose all options. Now that Edit Profile is open, you're ready to locate badge-related sections. Follow these next steps to find and remove. You'll want to scroll to the Badges area either in Edit Profile or on your Community Badges page. This lists all earned and displayed badges. Once you find the badge you want to remove, click it to open options. Some badges show a gear or remove icon. Others require removing them from a showcase or trading card set. If it's in a showcase, edit the showcase and replace or remove the badge. Make sure to save changes, otherwise badges remain shown. You finish by saving any profile edits and refreshing your profile to confirm the badge is gone. This ensures cached displays update. If a badge won't remove, check whether it's in your inventory, locked in a showcase, or affected by trade holds or community restrictions. Clear those first and retry. If problems persist after verifying inventory, showcase settings, and recent trade or market activity, contact Steam support with a concise description. They can resolve back-end issues, but only after you've completed these verification steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.